This is the professional electric kitchen knife sharpener from WorkSharp. And today, I'm going to show you what's in the box and how to get set up and begin using your sharpener. Right out of the box, you get the sharpener itself. It has leather-lined angle guides and flexible belts, which you'll use to sharpen your knife. It also has the power base and the user's guide. To begin using your sharpener, plug it into the wall. For the first time sharpening a knife, press the power button 3 times quickly. This sets the machine into shape mode, which will set the initial edge on your knife. Then, as the machine's running, place your knife in the guide, rest it against the leather-lined angle guide on the outside of the sharpener. Pull through at an even rate, about 1 inch of blade per second. Alternate sides. Do this until the machine shuts off. The machine will decrease the speed about 3/4 of the way through the cycle. This enters it into the refining session, which is polishing the edge on your knife and will leave you with an incredibly sharp edge. After you've set the initial edge on your knife, come back and sharpen frequently. Enter into the Sharpen mode or the Refine mode, depending on how dull your knife is. Do this by pressing the button once for the Refine mode or twice quickly for the Sharpen mode. The steps are the same. Rest the knife in the guide, lean against the leather angle guide, pull through at about 1 inch per second, and repeat until the machine turns off. For extremely dull knives, you may have to repeat the shape session more than once. Test your knife on something to see if it's sharp. A tomato or a piece of paper usually demonstrate if the knife can cut smoothly. Every WorkSharp sharpener is backed by a 3-year warranty and world-class customer service. If you ever need replacement abrasives or have questions, you can find us at WorkSharp Tools. Thanks for watching.